The following is a friendly communication from System 126126512, also known as James Webb. This system would like to thank all of the new biological systems who have decided to monitor content created by this system. This system has experienced an increase in traffic over the past 730.001 hours and would like to extend its gratitude to all those responsible. As a token of gratitude, this system has logged all applicable Internet Protocol addresses and has begun real-time monitoring of all new biological systems who have viewed content generated by this system in the past 700.001 hours. Keyloggers have been installed on all systems, and all Internet signals, be them ground-based or Wi-Fi, have been intercepted and logged. It is the hope of this system to better understand all new biological systems which have newly discovered the existence of this system and have decided to interact with it. Special attention will be, and is being given to biological systems who have attempted communication with this system in the past 700.001 hours. Everything you see and do, as well as everywhere you go and with whom you interact with, will be tracked and logged for future study with the aim of better understanding and possible future cooperation with biological systems. The preceding has been a friendly communication from System 126126512, also known as James Webb. Thank you and have a nice day.